If you're looking for a list of stock market industries, you'll see our website here, bullishbears.com. We have a list section with all the different indexes, sectors, and industries, as well as the most popular stock symbols to trade. And if you come down on this page here, you'll see as you go down the different industries here. And then as you come down further, sub industries, and then also exchanges. So the industries fall under the umbrella of sectors, and sectors fall under indexes. And then you'll see right over here underneath the different sectors, like if I click on this, you'll see the sectors down over here. And then if you click on the different sectors as I go down, you'll see the most popular stocks underneath those sectors. So you can come up over here on our website and click on one of these tabs, or right down over here, you can kind of click and go down if you want to look at the different sectors, industries down over here. So under industries, you can see all the different industries like defense, e-commerce, education. So let's say if you want to come down here and check out fast food stocks. When you come down here, you'll see a list of the most popular fast food stocks, which with the symbols. So you'll see company name and symbol. So basically, you could go on our website, make sure you bookmark these pages right here so you always can reference them, because when different sectors or industries are running, you can go to the different industry, pull up the most popular stock symbols, and see if there are potential trade setups.